If you're looking to land your dream job, having your resume uploaded on Indeed is a great step. Today, I'll walk you through the process of uploading your resume on Indeed. Let's get started. Indeed is one of the largest job search platforms, connecting millions of job seekers with employers. Uploading your resume makes it easier for recruiters to find you. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to either create an account or log into your existing Indeed account. Go to the Indeed website, or you can simply open the Indeed app. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once you're logged in, it's time to access your profile. Now, select on Upload Resume. Here, on the resume page, simply upload your CV. After uploading, you can optimize your resume to increase visibility to employers and fill out any additional sections such as skills, work experience, and education. Once you've filled everything out, click on Upload. You can also simply include your qualifications, job preferences, and furthermore advances. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your resume on Indeed.